In the 1950s, Joseph Eichler reimagined what a California home could be. He believed design should be open, filled with lights, and connected to nature. His home turned walls into windows and ceiling into skylights, blurring the boundaries between inside and out. Eichler's vision was never just about architecture. It was about how people lived. Love the look of an Eichler, but wish it felt a little bit more modern? This Redwood City home might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Rebuilt in 2000, it preserves Joseph Eichler's signature openness, light, and connection to nature, yet adds modern comfort and precision engineer.
上世纪50年代 ，Joseph Eichler 重新定义了加州住宅的可能性。半世紀之後，這座位於紅木城的住宅延續了他的理念。2000年重建，保留住 Eichler 嘅設計精髓，同時加入現代舒適同節能嘅概念。
Radiant heat brings warmth, while clear-story and skylight windows fill the home with sunlight from dawn to dusk. Vaulted open beams and ceiling and walls of glass that creates effortless California flow where indoor and outdoor live as one. The chef's kitchen stays true to Eichler's social ideal: open, connected, made for gathering. A serene primary suite opens to the garden, and a versatile yurt studio adds space for creativity or calmness. And less than 8 minutes away to the Elks Lodge with the pool, fitness center, and resort-style gatherings. A few minutes away from the house, you get all of this. Just steps away from cafés, restaurants, and local favorites at Roosevelt Plaza, Dehoff Key Market, and Morton Park. Mid-century soul modern craftsmanship, a home that honors the past and celebrates California living at its best.
这起非中世纪设计哲学与现代工艺的融合，在光影之间延续 Eichler 的理念。
I can't wait for you to see this beautiful Redwood City home. Thinking about buying or selling? Just say when.